Alright, now we're going to do derivatives of logs. Let's find the derivative of y equals natural log of x. Well, we don't have a rule for natural log of x yet, so let's rewrite this in a power of e. You need to remember from your rules of logarithms how we could read this. A log is an exponent. So this means y equals the exponent that you have to raise e to get x. So y is the exponent you raise e to, that's not how you spell raise, that you raise e to get x. Okay, so y is equal to this exponent. Natural log of x is the exponent. The base of that is e, since it's natural log. If it was log, just regular log log, it'd be base 10, but this is base e. So this is the exponent that you have to raise e to get the argument of the log, which is x. So e to some power gives you x. What power would that be? That's going to be y. Y is the exponent you have to raise e to get x. That's how I like to explain logs. If it doesn't work for you, then just learn the rules and go from there. So instead of finding the derivative of y equals natural log of x, I can rewrite this just like this, and I can find the derivative of that. E to the y equals x. We learned how to find the derivative of exponentials already, so we can do this. So the derivative of e to the y has to equal the derivative of x if I took the derivative of both sides of this equation, right? The derivative of e to the y equals the derivative of x. Normally we just put one equal sign. We'll make it a giant equal sign. So the derivative of e to the y, that's like e to the u, so it's e to the y, or e to the u, times dxu, which I'm going to write as y prime. E to the y prime. The derivative of x is just equal to 1. Remember, I'm solving for y prime, so let's divide by e to the y on both sides. And I get y prime equals 1 over e to the y. I don't want my final answer with a y in it if I can help it. So actually what I'm going to do, look to an earlier form of the problem, and I'm going to use that right there. E to the y actually equals x, so y prime equals 1 over x, and that's my solution. So what did we have? The derivative of, we were working from y prime equals natural log of x, so the derivative of natural log of x equals 1 over x. Let's write it generally. The derivative of natural log of u equals 1 over u times dxu. Alright, that we need to memorize.